Hey folks, it's been a while. I'm Maya and today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, although there's no box, it's a bag. It's an unbagging of a bag. And so I haven't opened it since I took it home. Bought this a couple of days ago. And it's a fun one. Ooh. Ready? Trying to pull it out correctly. Okay. Here's a chain. So it's kind of like a brushed dark grey metal. It's quite light, which is cool. Okay, here's a tag. That's the back. And it's by Kurt Geiger, London. And I got this from David Jones. And I'll show you. That's the back. That's the top. This is the bottom. This is the front. And there's the sides. So it's sequin ruffle, and there's a signature bird head by the brand on their bags. There's a plaque at the back. It says like it's a flap here, and it's green on the bottom. Minnie Mouse sequin, and I'm like, on their previous bags they have this, and I feel like this sticks out too much, like it's too prominent, and I didn't like that. But on this it kind of gets integrated, and I like it goes with my colorful dresses. I like the ruffle. I like the diagonal pattern. I like the sequin. I like the colorfulness. I actually like kind of this dark gray metal finish as well, which is the same finish on the grommets. And then I can wear it. All right, let's see. So I can wear it like this on my shoulder, and then I can also wear it on the side like this. I can wear it crossbody. So I'm 5'6", about 168 centimeters tall, without shoes. So this is me standing with no shoes, and it definitely fits a phone. I'm filming with my phone at the moment, so yeah, it's and the inside is black lining. I don't know if this is leather. I doubt it. Let me check the tag. Okay. So it's all man-made materials. Oh, my seat. Inside there's a little card pocket, and there's a little what is it? This is the Kensington. There's a little brand story on the pocket, and there's the Geiger monogram on the lining. See it? Two magnet closure things. I was surprised. I looked at this a few times in the store, and I was like, oh, do I want this? Is it gimmicky or is it me? But I'm pretty sure it's me, because like I said, I like the ruffle, I like the dimension in the pattern, I like the diagonal. I've got another colorful blingy diagonal bag. I'll quickly grab it. So this is a clutch. So it's the same kind of vibe actually. So these are glued on little crystals. I did drop it on its corner, so it's kind of moved out of place. But this comes with a strap too. So yes, there's a theme, shiny, blingy, diagonally, but I really like the dimension, the three-dimensionality of the ruffles. But yeah, it's quite my vibe. It's dynamic, but it's soft and vibrant and colorful. And I think I was trying to say, I'm surprised that they chose this yellow because it's like a highlighter yellow, but everything else is kind of more on the muted side, but it's elevated and shiny, so it comes to life a bit. The green is a nice green. It's like a bluey emerald green. So this is quite a pop. There's the back. But it's so cool, and I couldn't stop thinking about it, so I had to get it. And here it is. What do you think? Isn't it awesome? My husband wanted to see it. I'm like, nah, I think I'll film a little unboxing video because I haven't filmed one in a while. It's actually quite, it feels kind of slim inside. So most of this is ruffle, right? So I'd say it's on the small side of bags. Yeah. So I bought this at David Jones for like $2.90. You can find it on Farfetch, but that for some reason it costs more. So I'll try and link this link to this item below if you're interested. But yeah, I just wanted to share in the fun because it's awesome. What was I gonna say? I keep trying to say, okay, you gotta be careful when you wear it so the sequin doesn't damage your delicate clothes if you're wearing it on the shoulder or cross body. So you just gotta be careful with that, but I accept it. Okay, I'm gonna go and have fun with my bag now. Follow me for more fashion related reveals, and let me know if you have any questions.